Looking at what we have here, journalists truly needs to start taking climate change discourse seriously. We can see here that hurricanes are becoming stronger, droughts are lasting longer, and wildfires are spreading throughout. And one have to start thinking about safety. In 1880s, we see how the temperature looked like. That's around minus 0.17 degrees Celsius compared to what we have in, I'll bring this up here, in 2022. That's already plus 0.9 degrees Celsius. We might argue that this is not significant. This is not a very big change. But if we continue with the rate of industrialization, we're going to hit a mark where we'll be seriously affected. 1% matters. 1% matters. Look at the pattern. In 1990, average temperature difference was like minus 0.27. That's going forward to around the period when I was born. In 1993, the annual average temperature difference was 0.22. You can see that it was climbing up. From this graph, we should be concerned. If it continues to go like this, what happens to the future generation? What happens? Journalists need to start reporting it. You don't need to advocate, just report it. Let the information be out there. Let people be aware. Look at this. We are way gone past. Within how many years? Look at within the last just I think about 50 years. Yes. Look at how far we've gone. And compared to what we have here, the difference of is minus 0.4 to a minus 0.5 to the margin of 0, and compared to how far we have gone within the last 50 years. In another 50 years, what will happen? We might be doubling or tripling this. So it's a thing to think about.